Hello my fellow admins and welcome to another episode of Jira Guides. I'm back with an awesome season of Jira User Guides. So in the next months I have lined up for you 10 episodes of Jira User Guides that will help new people that are using Jira more from a user point of view rather than an admin. So we also help newcomers understand this tool and who knows, future admins maybe. So before starting this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This will help other people to find this information that could be potentially great for them. So today we have an exciting topic lined up for you, a brief presentation for new people that are using Jira as their option for a project management tool. So in this video we'll cover what Jira is, why companies use it, and how to use it from a user perspective point of view. So let's start the video. So maybe you're asking, what is Jira? So Jira is a powerful project management tool developed by Atlassian. It is widely used by companies of all sizes and across various industries to streamline their projects management processes. Jira is designed to help teams plan, track, or manage their projects efficiently, improving collaboration and productivity. At its core, Jira is a flexible issue tracking system for sure that allows teams to create and manage tasks known as issues in Jira in a structured and organized manner. These issues can represent anything from bugs or feature requests. Now that we have like a brief understanding what Jira is, let's explore why companies choose to use it. So basically companies are using Jira for several reasons. Firstly, Jira offers a centralized platform for managing projects, allowing teams to have a single source of truth. So this improves transparency and ensures that everyone is on the same page. And secondly, Jira provides extensive customization option to tailor the tool to specific needs of each team or projects. This flexibility allows companies to adapt Jira to fit their existing processes and workflows seamlessly. Of course, there is also need for a disclaimer here, because even if Jira is flexible enough on customization, you need to understand that a lot of this customization will be possible only with the third-party software. So take that with a grain of salt. Additionally, Jira offers powerful reporting and analytics features, providing valuable insights into projects' progress, team performance, and of course, issue tracking. These insights enable companies to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve their project management practices. So now that we have covered like briefly why companies use Jira, let's explore on how to use it, the Jira software tool, how to use it from a user perspective point of view. So basically when you log into Jira, you'll find yourself in the project dashboard. From here you can create and manage your issues, collaborate with your team members, and track project progress. Basically, to create an issue, you simply click on create button and provide details as the issue type, summary, description, and assignee. You can also add attachments to it, set due dates, and prioritize the issues according to your needs. For example, once an issue is created, you can track its progress by updating its status, adding comments, and attaching files. Jira also allows you to assign issues to team members, set deadlines, and link related issues for a better organization. In addition to managing individual issues, Jira provides various project management features like boards, sprints, and backlogs. These features enable agile teams to visualize and prioritize their work, ensuring efficient collaboration and delivery. Lastly, Jira offers integration with other popular tools such as Confluence, Bitbucket, and Slack, allowing seamless communication and data synchronization across your project ecosystem. And there you have it, a brief introduction to Jira, why companies use it, and how to use it from a user perspective. If you found this video helpful, please like it if you like it, subscribe to my channel for more episodes on Jira User Guides, Jira Admin Guides, and of course Script Runner Guides. And don't forget that I have a GitHub repository with Script Runner templates where you can choose and use them free of charge. And also I have my Discord link down below where you can ask multiple questions if YouTube comments are not enough. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, peace!